This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use stabilization in DaVinci Resolve. First, navigate to the Edit page and select your clip in the timeline. Then, open the Inspector panel on the top right. Scroll down until you see the Stabilization section. This powerful tool helps transform shaky, handheld footage into smooth, professional-looking video, making your projects much more enjoyable for viewers. It's a fundamental step for many video editors. Once you've located the stabilization section, simply toggle the feature on. Next, select a stabilization mode. Perspective is often a great starting point, analyzing all three axes of motion. Similarity considers rotation and scale, while translation only corrects for horizontal and vertical movement. After choosing your mode, click the Stabilize button to let DaVinci Resolve analyze your clip's motion. This process usually takes just a few moments. After analysis, you can fine-tune the stabilization. The smoothness slider allows you to control how much the shakiness is reduced. A value between 0 and 100% works well. If black borders appear, enable zoom to automatically crop them out, ensuring a clean frame. You can also try camera lock to fix the frame to a specific point, which is useful for static shots. Experiment with these settings to achieve your perfect look. For the best stabilization, try to shoot with a slightly faster shutter speed to minimize motion blur, giving the software more distinct points to track. However, be careful not to overstabilize, as this can make your video look artificial or wobbly. Always play back your stabilized clip in full to check for any unwanted artifacts or distortions. Sometimes, a subtle touch of stabilization is far more effective than an aggressive one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.